counties in Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Forest, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, western Forest County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Cigar Creek to near New Wilmington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Newcastle, Oil City, Grove City, Franklin, Elwood City, Cigar Creek, New Wilmington, Oakwood, Newcastle Northwest, Tynesta, Mercer, Big Beaver, New Beaver, Pulaski, Hazen Heights, Elport, Bessemer, Stoneboro, Seneca, and New Bedford. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 1 and 8. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 106 and 132. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 6 and 44. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 2 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using X at NWS Pittsburgh.